Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you this video on how you can get this loan from Happy Money all the way up to $40,000 with a soft pull pre-qualification. Now you can increase your credit score up by 40 points by paying off your credit card debt with this loan. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. I'll also give you a free hard inquiry removal package at my website. And I have removal packages for purchases for all your negative items. So if you want that information, I leave the link in every description of the video in the pinned comment section to my website. Also, this Saturday, February 18th, I am re-rolling out my webinar on how you can increase your credit score by 100 points. And I will be live helping you personally with your credit issues. So with this, I'll be showing you guys these credit hacks and how to remove negative items. If you want to sign up for this webinar, I'll leave the link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment section. So let's jump into this information. Now, Happy Money is formerly Payoff loans. Now, this loan is designed to help you pay off credit card debts to save on interest, also designed for home improvement loans, large purchase loans, and emergency expenses. Now, they work with a number of lenders, but a lot of these lenders are credit unions to help you get the best APR and the lowest rate. Now, their lowest minimum loan is $5,000 all the way up to $40,000. Now, their lowest minimum APR is 8.99%, and it's designed for you to pay the loan off in 2 to 5 years. Now, they designed this loan to be simplified and for you to save on credit card debt APR. Also, to boost your credit scores by paying down your credit card debt all the way up to 40 points because utilization is 30% of your credit score. Here's how the loan works. They will first look at your credit, income, savings to determine your personal payment plan. Now, you have no commitment or obligation. Then they will give you the options to choose the plan that's right for you. So they will line up multiple plans. So you can determine, do you want the lowest monthly payment, the best rate, and the quickest way to pay it off. Then finally, they will verify and finalize everything. So you will have to present legal documentation in order to verify your loan. Now, you must be 18 years or older, and you have to have a social security card. They will want you to upload your driver's license or your passport. They want to connect to your bank account also with Plaid. And some of the credit requirements they're going to look at is that you have a 640 credit score or higher. They don't want you to have any current delinquencies, and that is 0, meaning that you're behind on your car payment, any credit card payments at that current time when you're applying for this personal loan. Also, they're going to look at your debt to income ratio. So how much debt versus your income do you currently have, so they can see if you can repay that loan. And they will be looking at your age of credit. They will pull your credit score, and they will be pulling from TransUnion. So before you apply, you guys, make sure you have those things in order. And they want all open trade lines that you have satisfactory, and they want you to have a decent utilization, and that is debt to available credit on your credit card balances. And they will take all these things into consideration when you're applying for this loan in order to qualify you. Now, if you want to apply for this loan, I will leave the link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment section below. So if you guys have any questions, if you're interested in raising your credit score by paying off your credit card debt, check out to see if you pre-qualify without impacting your credit score. And if you have questions for me, you can leave it in the pinned comment section. Or if you have detailed personal questions, you can go to my website and all your questions go into my cell phone directly. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.